Tired of silverware sliding around every time you open your kitchen drawer? The madesmart Classic Large 6-compartment silverware tray promises to keep your utensils perfectly organized and in place. Its smart design combines functionality with style, making it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen storage effortlessly. When I replaced my old, worn-out silverware tray with the madesmart Classic, the difference was immediate. This tray is larger than most, yet fits comfortably in standard drawers, offering 6 spacious compartments for forks, knives, spoons, and more. The soft grip lining inside each slot stops your silverware from shifting or clinking around, while the non-slip rubber feet keep the entire tray steady. No more annoying sliding or tipping. Plus, its rounded corners make cleaning quick and hassle-free, so your drawer stays fresh and tidy. Made from BPA-free, high-quality plastic, this tray isn't just practical, it's built to last. What stood out most was the thoughtful design detail. The wider slots allow stacking double rows of silverware without overcrowding. Despite its affordable price, it rivals higher-end organizers in both durability and performance. If you want a kitchen drawer that looks neat and functions smoothly, this tray is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to enjoy an organized kitchen that actually makes your daily routine easier.